Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to prove this proposition. Here this proposition says for all x belong to real number, if for all a belongs to 0 to infinity, x is less than or equal to a, then for all b belongs to 0 to infinity, x is less than b. Okay, so whenever we have if then statement, we just have to prove the one after then. This is our claim. Now let's see how to prove this one. First of all, we let x belongs to real number, and also we assume for all a belongs to 0 to infinity is x is less than or equal to a, because we have to use this one to prove this one. Now let's go ahead and do that, and also let's put a is equal to b by 2, and we know that b is belonging to 0 to, let b belongs to 0 to infinity, let b belongs to 0 to infinity, and we know that 0, if it's 0 to infinity, it means this is a positive number. 0 to infinity, 0 is not included, so in between it's positive number. It means 0 is less than b, because b is a positive number. So if b is positive number, it means b by 2 should be also positive number. Therefore we can say b by 2 also belongs to 0 to infinity. So this is the first statement. Now we know that for all a belongs to 0 to infinity, we know that this is a, and we have to use this one. We are assuming, like, we are taking x is less than or equal to a is b by 2, so we say x is less than or equal to a, therefore x is less than or equal to b by 2, since a is b by 2. So from this one we can see that b by 2, this one. Okay, so we have x is less than or equal to a, and we have x is b by 2, and before I do that, I have to do one more thing, because we cannot directly say, because b, first we have to show that b by 2 is less than b. B by 2 is less than b because we are dividing by 2, so that's why b by 2 is less than b. Now by transitivity is axiom number 11. I put the list of axioms in the description, so you can go ahead and I put a video on that, so you can go ahead and watch that. So axiom number 11 is transitivity. It says when we have x is less than a mean it's b by 2. Let's put b by 2 for this one. X is, instead of a, b by 2, because x is less than or equal to a is equal to b by 2. If x is less than or equal to b by 2 and b by 2 is less than b, by transitivity, or you can say axiom number 11, this implies that x is less than b. So we proved that one. For all b belongs to 0 to infinity, x is less than b. We just have to prove that one. That's why if we prove this claim, it means we prove the proposition, and that's it. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn discrete mathematics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.